Oh, God!
What is it?
There's a boy under the ice. I think he's dead. Call 911. He's out there. I put my hat on the ice over where he is so the firefighters can find him when they get here. Are they close?
They're all spoken for because of the snowmageddon.
Good news is I was a firefighter in New York, so this is not my first ice rescue.
Okay, but don't you need special gear for that?
TK, are you sure about this?
You're using a bed sheet as a life ring and a laryngoscope as an ice pick. It's different.
Valid point. I see the kid! There's no home, you have to break through the ice! Come on!
How's it going?
Well, it turns out it's easier with a pickaxe! I'm through! I got him!
TK!
TK? Hey!
No, let go! Pull him up!
No! Stay there! Let's do it too! No pulse, no respiration cap.
Does that mean he's dead? No, ma'am. You're not dead until you're warm and dead. We're gonna do some rapid rewarming, and hopefully we'll be able to get him back.
What is that thing anyway?
It's called an ECMO machine. It's doing the work of his heart and lungs for him. As it oxygenates the blood, it also warms him up from the inside out.
Come on, kid. Come on.
He's so young.
There's a lady with a backpack. It's got all these wires coming out. I think it's a bomb.
I'm gonna take a look. I got possible visual on IED at Eastern Concourse.
It's not a bomb. It's my heart. Please, find my mother.
Dispatch, I got eyes on the alleged IED. It's definitely not a bomb, some kind of medical device. She says it's for her heart. I'm sending you a picture now.
That looks like a pneumatic pump for an artificial heart. It sends air through the tubes.
I don't think it's functioning. She just lost consciousness. Her pulse is barely there.
Must be damaged.
Should I start CPR?
No, the implant is made of hard plastic. Compression's
Slowly jamming into her sternum. Do you see another backpack?
Another one?
She wouldn't
go without a backup. Someone else must have it.
I think her heart's shutting down. How long do I have?
If the heart is shutting down, minutes.
All right, Kamin, go! Ma'am, I need you to stay still. You may be injured. I'm gonna call for help. Dispatch, I need a team to the East Escalator Bank for an injured woman.
My daughter.
Yes, I'm on my way to her right now. Stay put here. Help is coming, okay? Dispatch, I have the device.
Tachycardic, pulse is strong.
Don't see any gross fractures in her extremities. Do you feel any pain in your abdomen, ma'am?
No, my daughter.
What about your daughter?
She's still inside.
I'm here. What do I do?
Remove the broken pump from the backpack and unspool the clear tubes.
Then attach the connectors to the new device.
Once it's secure, put in the battery and it should power up.
Any movement?
Come on. She's breathing.
Okay, so now that we're all on the same page, here's what's gonna happen next.
I don't know what you want, but there is a hospital full of...
Just go, or I'll shoot you. Or better yet, I shoot him. And then I find his kid and I shoot him too.
Buck.
Hey! I'm a firefighter. You good?
Yeah. Where's Mitchell? He's still in the ambulance. With Eddie.
Just give up. You can live to escape another day.
I ain't going nowhere.
Unless it's inside that hospital.
Look, as soon as they make their move, he's gonna shoot Eddie. There's gotta be a way to talk him down, get him to surrender.
It's a little more complicated than that, Buck. Surrender is not what Mitchell's after. He came to see his son.
My son? Kid's been waiting almost a year for a new heart.
So you're here to force his way up the list at gunpoint?
No. I'm here to give him mine.
He wants to donate his heart to his kid.
Buck, that's not on the table. It's not even on the menu. The state of California doesn't allow death row inmates to donate their organs.
Come on, that's just a technicality.
It's a law, Buck.
To get your heart and live the rest of his life knowing how much blood you shed so he could have it. You think that's a feel-good ending?
What do you
for
want
him?
me to do? Go back to prison, sit there rotting in my cell while my kid dies?
I want you to shut up. And let me help you.
The other guy. His girlfriend's a reporter. We have her do a story on your son, get the public behind Nolan, pressure the governor into letting you donate.
I don't want that for him. People knowing I'm his father, he's a good kid.
So you think saving him, what, redeems you?
No. Me dying and him living maybe makes the world a better place.
You mean it?
What you said about helping Nolan?
I'll fight for him as hard as I'd fight for my own.
When you asked about the donor, I can never know it was me.
Drop the gun!
Eddie!
Get up! Get up! What are you doing? What happened? He shot himself. Bullet hit his brain. He's dead, but his heart isn't. And I needed to stay that way.
Death row inmates, right? I know what you're thinking. But there is no way, Athena. What would he say to a commutation?
It's done.
He made it through okay?
Yeah. They're wheeling him into recovery now. Thank you.
I gotta go see mine.
Kamin, hey, don't even... Okay, so now that we're all on the same page, here's what's gonna happen next.
I don't know what you want, but there is a hospital full of...
Just go, or I'll shoot you. Or better yet, I shoot him. And then I find...
You're new.
He's all alone.
He's not. He's surrounded by people who want to help him.
Then how come no one's running in there?
They can't. You know that.
Where's the captain? I'm the captain, okay? No, I don't want you. I want Captain Nash.
I love you.
Captain Nash, don't confront him. He wants me. He wants you dead. Give him what he wants. Captain Nash! Shoot me if you have to.
We've got no details on this man's identity.
Ready? Thought you'd be on the truck. Here now.
How far away are you?
Wanted you dead.
I get that. What about them? What about him? He's got parents, a sister, a girlfriend, and he never did anything to you.
Collateral damage. One more step, we all go boom.
You got dealt a bad hand, and I am sorry about that.
Destroying my family. My mom and I lost everything. She was in so much pain.
Want to make it worse? You want to make her watch you die?
Mom. No.
Dead man's trigger.
Roger that, all clear. Copy that.
I need all hands on deck to move this truck.
How's he doing, Chip?
We're out of time, Cap. Try to lift this off him.
Okay, we gotta try to lift this.
Get a hand on. Come in.
Ready? Grab spot. Okay. Hang tight. Ready? Lift!
Gotta lift higher.
She's too heavy. Now we need more people.
I'll radio again. Dispatch, this is the captain.
We can do this.
Get in here! Hurry! Everybody put a hand in where you can!
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hurry, we got him out!
Stay with us, Mark. You are a fool. But I love you too.
Antonio, someone's taking Diego. Antonio, our baby, he's got to be so scared.
I will get him back. Hopeful free by midnight or your son dies. Where's my son?
If the kidnappers were given what they wanted, then the wife or son was returned. Not a single scratch on their faces. Maybe you should give them what they want, Antonio, whatever that may be. If you want to see Diego again, that is.
That's him.
There's our boy. What the hell is Ruzick doing?
Freeze! Damn it, freeze! We had him! What the hell was that? I made a move!
Take it easy! Take it easy!
Daddy, they said they're gonna kill me, Daddy!
We should consider making a deal. Give them Popo for Diego.
Antonio.
He's my son, boy. Let's make the trade.
Trades don't work out, bro.
Hey, Polk Hotel on West Adams. He was here.
Where's my son? Get out of here! Run! You got about 3 minutes till this alley's full of uniforms. Do what you gotta do.
Wait!
Speak English after all.
I didn't do anything. I didn't.
No, it's too late. You know Antonio was gonna fight in the Olympics?
I didn't hurt him. Please, no. Bail us your young son. Please.
You scream, I'll kill you. And then I'll go to your house and kill your parents. ¿Comprende?
Policía. ¡Dan! ¡Voy a matar!
Drop it!
¡Diego!
Drop it!
Lindsay, hold on to something.
I got you. Get down. Antonio, I got him. I got Diego. I got him. He's okay. Daddy!